Hello, soul family, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lijana, and I am a spiritual leader. My soul's mission is to bring healing, infinite light, and transformation through channeling those important messages from Spirit to help you on your soul's journey. Today, your spirit guides want to deliver this message for your highest good. What is changing in your 3D reality? Let's see. What do you need to hear? We have King of Cups. I see that this message is for somebody out there who is doing the inner work. You truly start to understand the importance of nurturing yourself, being compassionate. And I see you are mastering your emotions. You truly start to understand why you feel the way you feel. But there is something powerful within you because you are able to see through your feelings. You are able to shift, to change your emotions. Like you have been practicing a lot to give that compassion to yourself. Maybe in the past you was always giving to others, but now you are being focused so much on yourself. The way you look at yourself, you understand that the inner work needs to be done. If you don't like the way you feel, the way you think about yourself, you can always change that. And this is what you do. You truly understand the importance of mastering your mind, body, transcending the mind, seeing through emotions. You understand that you are much more. So I see this master. You are embodying your higher self. You are listening to your feelings. You don't judge yourself. You allow yourself to feel, to be. But also you do so much inner healing. This is what I see. Wow, and we have fertility. So because you give all that compassion, all that deeper understanding grows within you. And because all this inner work, all this dedication to yourself, it empowers you because you become very light, very free. You tap into this pure essence of your soul. When we are full of clutter, whether it is our emotions, whether it is our thoughts, we cannot see clearly. But I see there is this self-empowerment within you, my beautiful soul, and There is so much changing in your 3D reality. You are changing. You are growing. And look at this lady. She's wearing this red top or dress. And that tells me a lot about your root chakra. Like, you start to really see yourself. You are attracting those beautiful blessings into your life. You are manifesting everything that is truly meant to be in your life for your highest good. So you are doing so much good work when it comes to the discipline. You are inviting so much change into your life. I see you are truly upgrading yourself. And there is this creativity, this pure inner peace, which flows through you. And I see that everything changes for you in 3D reality, even if you don't see it, but you attract different people. You attract everything that is fruitful. This is what I hear for you. So this is what your spirit guides want you to know right now. If you know that you are being so patient with yourself, you will be surprised how many rewards, how many blessings will flow into your life. Blessing after blessing. It all starts with those little things. Your energy is changing. You are becoming one with the universe. You are mastering your spiritual gift. This is what I hear for some of you. Maybe for some of you, it is uncomfortable to go to that empty space. But your soul knows that. In that sacred space, in that emptiness, in that stillness, your energy changes. You start to see everything so clearly. So well done to you. Your spirit guides are very proud of you. And I see some beautiful ideas, some creative ideas that truly meant to come to life through you. Like something is coming into birth through you. This is your soul's purpose. This is something that truly makes you happy. I see that some of you are also growing so much, like you are becoming more and more mature, more wise. The way you understand yourself, the way you understand your feelings, you can also understand others as well. So, how was your reading? I am so grateful. I appreciate all of you and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.